Hello there, welcome to my video. Okay, in this part 3 differentiation, I'm going to show you how to differentiate this kind of equation. Now let us start with the first example. Now let's say we have y equals to x minus 2 and we have here x minus 5. Okay, for this type of equations, what we can do, the first step, we can actually simplify this. Just multiply. Okay, we have here x square and then we have here minus 5x, and then here we have a minus 2x, and here we have a plus 10. Okay, we can actually simplify this before we differentiate. Okay, this is pretty easy. Okay, so when we differentiate this, we'll be getting, we can use the same formula as the first part of this video, and we can be able to get here's 2x, and here will be minus 7, and this is your answer. Okay, for this type of equations, we can simplify this. Okay, we can simplify from this form to this form. Alright, now I'm going to show you another example where we cannot simplify. Let's say we have to differentiate this type of equations where here we have to expand for 3 times of this, and here this equation we have to expand for 4 times, and it will take a long time for us to keep on expanding. So we will use a formula for this type of equations. So I will explain the formula first before we go back to this question. Okay, now, so let us just assume the first one, the first equation here as a u, and the second equation here as a v. So now we have y equals to u multiply with v. So what we are going to do now is, the formula is dy dx, okay, equals to, now this one, okay, this u, we don't have to differentiate this, just copy and paste over here. Alright, copy and paste. Okay, the second one we have to differentiate. So when we differentiate, we just put here v prime, okay, there's a symbol here, and then we plus. Now we do it in an opposite way. Alright, now we copy the v and we place it over here, and then we differentiate the u and we make it in this way. Alright guys, alright, so this is the formula. So now we are going to use this formula to solve the issue. Okay, this is the question and this is the formula here. Alright, so now we are going to differentiate this. Dy dx equals to, okay, the first one, u and u, we just have to copy and paste this. Okay, x minus 3, and then put a bracket here to the power of 3. Okay, now we have to differentiate the v. Look at that, right? So we put a bracket here. Okay, and then we have to differentiate this as usual. This is explained in a part 2. So the 4 we move in front. Alright, and then copy the equation. And then here we have 4. And we have to minus with 1. So make it 3. And not forgetting, we have to differentiate inside the equation. Alright, inside the bracket. So when we differentiate inside the bracket, we will be getting 2. Okay, this is for the first part. So we have done this. Now we have to do the second part, which I will highlight in a green color, this one. Okay, so we have to plus. Alright, we plus. Okay, now we have to copy the v, which is the second part, right? copy is 2x minus 7 bracket, and here's power of 4. We just copy. Now we have to differentiate the first one. Okay, first one is the same. We just put a bracket over here. The 3 we move in front. Bracket x minus 3 bracket, and then this power 3 we have to minus with 1, so it will become 2 here, and we have to differentiate inside the bracket. So you differentiate the x, so here we have only 1, and we close the bracket. Okay, now we are going to simplify this answer. So when we simplify the answer, we will be getting dy dx. Okay, so here's 2 and here's 4. We can make it 8. 8x minus 3 power of 3, and just copy this 2x minus 7 bracket of 3 power of 3. Alright, this is the first part, and we will complete the second part here. Plus, okay, now we have 1 here and 3 here as a constant. We multiply this, we got 3. 2x minus 7 power of 4, and here we have x minus 3 bracket to the power of 2. Okay, so this is our final answer. Alright, I hope you can understand this, and I hope you enjoyed the video. So thank you for watching.